Hi guys, I'm showing you this outlet. This is an outdoor outlet with 3 plugs that you can use, and as you can see, this is a 360-degree cable swivel with the IPX65 waterproof thing. And you can also see is like a very thick cable, good quality 3-pin socket, 3 outlets, and is on and off switch with this plastic covering for making it waterproof. So I put this, it's raining outside, and I put this outside with these switches, and you can see this is light is on. So this is working fine even in the water and the rain and the outside weather. This is very cold outside weather with the rain, and then this is perfectly working fine with all the switches and connections. So this is, you can see the water droplets on it, and yeah, it's perfectly working fine. A nice outdoor outlet.